Hi, I'm Brad Glaze from Frontier. I'm out on a road trip seeking out key business people who make quality soil amendments that are applied in agriculture. Today I'm on site in Northern California with Larry Royal at Earthworm Soil Factory. Larry, tell us a little bit about what your organization's all about.
Brad, thanks a lot for stopping by. We're really appreciating you coming and visiting. Here at Earthworm Soil Factory, we use two methods of creating soil amendments for the agricultural community. We do both thermophilic composting as well as vermicomposting. The vermicomposting is using earthworms to break the organic materials down even further by putting them through the gut of an earthworm, and it's amazing what this little critter does. But we've discovered that they actually will help change the structure of that organic material to produce highly beneficial microorganisms that, once placed in the soil, helps the soil to access the nutrients that are normally bound up. So our key ingredient is to be able to take waste, we call it, which would normally go to the landfill, and turn it into healthy people. And the way it's turned into healthy people, as you know, is for the agricultural community to start looking at a program where that they're not using things by just feeding the plant, but by building up the soil. And so our soil amendment products that we're developing and have developed are keyed in on building the balance necessary for healthy plants. And we know this, that once that we have a healthy soil, it's going to be a lot easier to grow healthy plants. And if healthy plants are there, then they're generally going to have a healthy crop. And we're also going to be able to see then, with a healthy crop, leading to healthy people, because the nutrient values coming back into the soil. What has actually happened is we know that there's a link between the soil and our bodies, in that if you have deficient or depleted soils that doesn't have any nutrients, the plant has a tough time surviving. If they're just barely surviving, the crop that they're going to put out, how much can we expect them to have in nutrient value if the plant's not getting it? So what we're really trying to accomplish is the fact that we're trying to make the soil back alive again. And by doing that, then all the nutrients that the plant needs and trace elements that we think the soil might be deficient on, we're trying to bridge the gap between all of these different organisms of organic, inorganic, and the microorganisms to be able to make the plant have an environment that it can not only thrive, but turn out quality crops that, once that it's consumed, is going to be healthy for the people consuming it, or even animals.
That's truly the core of what this business is all about.
Absolutely. It's going from waste to healthy people.
Well, Larry, show us more.
Be glad to.